Hi, it's Fiest Tarot. Hello, all signs. Okay, so messages, energy check-ins, prediction, gabay, kung anong ating makita, ating babasahin. Okay? And, yeah, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And, yes, kung may tanong pagdating po sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin pagdating po kay Perception of Light. Okay, ito yung kanya pong name sa FB page niya. And sa mga naghahanap ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po tayo magme-message. Okay? So, yun lamang. And sa mga interested pagdating sa ating items, meron tayong protection from evil eye. Okay, so meron tayong ring. Okay, meron tayong necklace. Meron tayong, okay, pakita ko. Ito yung necklace natin. Ay, hindi pala. Ito pala. Magkapareho yung pendant kasi. 'Di ba? Mali-mali. So, ito siya. Hindi pala sila magkapareho. Ito yung necklace natin. Ito yung sa may bracelet. Okay, so yan siya. Ito yung ating isang bracelet, yung garterize. Ito naman yung na-adjust. Okay, yung na-adjust, meron siyang initial nung magmamayari po, ha. Okay, so ganyan siya. Available to in red and black strings. Okay, and yan ang ating mga evil eye. Okay, so love bracelet. Okay, so ito siya. For singles, may mga kakonect na sobrang daming conflict, no? And sa mga wala namang conflict, okay? Pwede yan. So, ipoprovide nito yung kailangan pagdating sa connection ninyo sa inyong relationship. Okay? And yung ating granter necklace. So, si granter is made to order. This is unisex. Okay? So, ganyan siya sa malapitan. Front and back, pareho lang. Meron siyang parang glass. So, it's like, yeah, acrylic. Okay? Parang ganyan. So, hindi pala parang, yes, acrylic talaga. This is hypoallergenic. Okay? Non-tarnish. 20 inches long. Okay, yan po, ha. Si granter is nagpo-provide ng, sabihin nating, mga surprises din. Okay? So, plus na lang niya yun. Kasi kung ano minamanifest mo, yun ang i-grant niya. And, syempre, alam nito kung deserve mo ba yung iyong minamanifest. Okay? Kung hindi mo deserve, nga. Pero kung deserve mo, no downtime. Okay? Hindi ka para paghintay ni granter. Okay po? Ganun po, ha? Hindi yung lahat gagawin, hindi yung lahat ibibigay. Too good to be true yun. Okay? And syempre, yung ating pang-cord cut. Yung ating pang-cord cutting sa mga kailangan ng ikat sa pass para kayo makausad. Okay po? So, yun lang. Kung may iba pang mga katanungan, message na lang po para sa mga kalinawan pa. Okay? So, yeah, let's start the reading. So, gagamitin ulit natin si Keeper. This is our Oracle deck. So, ang binibigay nito mga specific. Okay, so ika-clarify na lang natin ng tarot. Okay, so air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Anong messages ang kailangan mong malaman? Gabay, prediction, energy checkings. Okay, let's see. 3 cards for air signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so first card, Thief. And next is Concern. Next is Family Room. Okay. So, may ito, specific, heart-to-heart talk. Heart-to-heart talk. Nandyan rin yung mga tanungan. Meron ditong mga hot seat. Yeah. May mga hot seat. Meron ditong magbibigay or maglalabas ng kanilang mga hinanaing. Specific po yan, ha? Somebody is concerned. A family member, maybe. Okay? So, let's see. Anong meron? May mga issues, concerns na pwedeng itinatago pa nung iba na kailangan ng mapag-usapan. Yeah. What's with this thief? Thief. Anong meron? King of Cups. Oh, somebody is in love. Okay? Somebody is hiding their true emotions for you. A water sign. May chance na meron din ditong energy ng air. 7 of Swords, like that. Gemini, Libra, and Aqua like you. Or maybe you're the one who is hiding emotions from someone or to someone. Okay, pwedeng Pisces, water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Who is this King of Cups in reverse? Oh, ang dami. Who is this King of Cups in reverse? The Hierophant in reverse. Someone na hindi pwede na makarelasyon, I think. Or maybe somebody is hindi pa rin totally ready to settle down. Okay, 4 of Wands. Some of you, you're in a connection na maaaring may mga third party involved. Opo. Na pwedeng magiging issue, magiging topic. May mga tanungan na pwedeng mangyari. There's arguments na pwedeng mangyari. Okay? So, what's with this concern? 4 of Pentacles. Being concerned pagdating sa pera mo, I think. Savings. Anong meron? Somebody is concerned or maybe other person is concerned pagdating sa pamemera mo. Or maybe you. Page of Wands. Iba sa inyo magkakaroon ng sabihin nating pagpaplano, no? Para mas mapalago pa yung kaperahan in general. Okay? So, the Page of Wands, iba, gagamitin yung mga inipong pera para makapagbukas ng business, small business maybe. Okay? So, hindi tayong pwedeng stuck lang, parang ganun eh. Hindi tayo pwedeng stuck lang sa kung anong meron sa nakaraan like that. So, kailangan natin ulit na parang magsimulang muli. Yeah. So, what's with this family room? Family room. The Chariot in reverse. May mga babaguhin. I think yung iba sa inyo, no, nagfa-follow sa mga hindi ko alam kung ano man, like tradition, parang binabago yung mga pwesto-pwesto sa lugar. May mga ganyan. Renovation maybe. Okay? May chance ng ganyan. The 3 of Cups. Yung iba sa inyo, mayroon ditong parang biglaan na darating. Okay? So, dyan kayo sa salas. Oo, parang ganyan. Dining. Maybe, o diba, doon kayo maghuhuntahan, doon kayo magkukwentuhan, oo, sa dining table, o diba, may mga ganyang bagay. Pwedeng mapapag-usapan, dito na naman, mga maritesan, ako nakikita dito, napaka-specific nito. May mga mapapag-usapan kayo, okay, together with your friends. I don't know who, I don't know what. Okay, yung mga pag-uusapan ninyo. Pero, yes, andyan yung sabihin nating get-togetherness, no, with your friends, maybe families, colleagues, mga ganyang bagay. Okay? Meron ako nakikita dito. May magre-reach out about their pregnancy. Okay, may mga ganun. Or something about pregnancy in general. May mga mapapag-usapang ganun din. Okay, sana walang miscarriage dito kasi I'm seeing an energy of bleeding. Okay, so there. So, we have here number 21, 33, 24, and 10. So, sulat nyo na lang. Okay, so next is fire signs. Okay, hi fire signs. Fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So, ano ang kailangan mong malaman? Kailangan malaman ng mga fire signs. Okay, there's one. So, house. 2 more. Okay. Pathway. And thoughts. I'm getting an energy of plans about house, plans about, sabihin natin, paglipat ng lugar. All in all, this is talking about leveling up. Your status maybe changing address, may mga ganyang bagay. Okay? Oh yeah, community. So pwedeng may mga lilipat ng tirahan dito, may lilipat ng lugar. Okay? Or maybe this is like just like energy of planning. Anyway, so let's see. Anong meron dito sa house for fire signs? I'm seeing here adventure. I'm hearing adventure. Pwedeng may mag-vacation. Malapit sa isang forest. May mag-stay. Yeah, para makapag... Hindi ko alam yan, tawag doon. Yeah, in general, makapagpahinga. Makahinga-hinga, like that. What's with this house? The 6 of Cups inversed. Some of you, I'm getting this energy of cleansing. Some of you, may need na mga i-cleanse pagdating sa bahay. Kasi may mga, tawag dyan, may mga kailangan na ring itapon, may mga kailangan na ring ialis na mga gamit na pwedeng nagbibigay ng hindi na magandang energy. Okay? Energy from the past, maybe. Mga sirang gamit, mga sirang, mga basag na salamin, mga ganun. Okay? Yeah, the 8 of Pentacles. Yeah, there's work, there's things to do, a lot. Okay? May mga aayusin, may mga aalisin, may mga gagawin pagdating sa bahay. Some of you, this is talking about renovation of a house. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng nagkakasakit. Pwedeng isa yun dun. Kung sa tingin nyo naman, napaka-healthy nyo lahat. Then, bigla-bigla na lang ganyan. Then, yeah, cleansing. Yung isa na kailangan. Okay? Sa bahay. So, what is this pathway? Pathway. Justice. Heading papunta sa ikagaganda, kung ano man to. Coming from a shaky, rocky situation. Yeah, the world. Some of you, this is talking about visa. Migration. For some of you, na talaga namang sobrang daming prosesong pinagdaanan. Yeah, mag-grant. Nag-grant na. This is nice. Makaka-travel na yung iba. Makakapunta na ng ibang bansa. Okay? Wow. Invitation for some of you. See? The Ace of Wands. This is energy of travel. Travel. Yeah. Diba? Kung hindi man ito, in general, this is talking about travel. Moving. Okay? Acceptance for some of you. Yeah. So, what is this thoughts? What's with these thoughts? Anong meron dyan? Two of Wands, yeah. You're in a crossroad. Somebody is thinking about you, thinking of you. Why? Page of Pentacles. I'm hearing restart. Refresh. They're sad. Yeah. Yung iba rito pwedeng nagdadalawang isip pa patungkol sa isang business na gustong simulan. Okay. Yeah, the Sun in reverse, unsure. Strength in reversed. Some of you, kailangan mo mag-search pa. Mag-research. Kung hindi ka ganun ka-sure. Kung kakaunti lang yung idea mo about that. Specific, no? Kung kakaunti yung idea mo, hindi naman masamang pag-aralan pa. Okay, so, kung sigurado ka na, so, yeah, tsaka mo simulan, I think. Kung sa tingin mo, hindi mo kaya, or sa tingin mo, hindi mo masimulan. So, there, sabihin natin, may kulang pa. So, kailangan mong i-search pa. Kung sa tingin mo, yun ang kailangan gawin mo muna. Okay? Yeah. Somebody wants to see you. Somebody na pwedeng through online mo nakakausap lang. Yeah. They want to see you. May chance na pwedeng mag-travel sila papunta sa'yo. Yeah, the Five of Pentacles in reverse. They want to see you. They want to be with you. Okay? So, pwedeng Leo, Earth, Fire. Okay? And I think this is energy of Cancerian. Okay? So, there. So, we have number 20, 35, and 16. So, next is water signs. Yeah, water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. What's for you? Messages, energy check-ins, prediction. Anong meron for you, water signs? Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, water signs. 3 cards. Okay. Water signs. So, first card, pathway. So, nakuha rin to ni fire signs. So, pathway. Second is marriage. So, status pagdating sa, yeah, in general is going up, leveling up. Unexpected income. Okay. So, meron tayong energy number. Number dito na 35, 3, and 27 might be significant. Okay. Pagdating sa love, pagdating sa kaperahan, there's this energy of, sabihin nating, mga bagong opportunities. Okay? So, let's see. I'm getting this energy of someone will give you money unexpectedly. Okay? Specific yun. Pwedeng mula sa isang mag-asawa. Help maybe in general. They will owe you or maybe they will lend you money. Sana lend, no? So, ano tong pathway? What's with this pathway for you, water signs? Water signs. Shararan, justice in reversed. What's this? May narinig ako ongoing. Lalo na pagdating sa mga legal issues, legal kung ano man, legalizations, yeah, the Two of Pentacles. Opportunities ahead, I think. May i-reject or pwedeng hindi pa ready kapag dumating to. I don't know kung ano man to. Some of you, you've been wanting this. Oo. Matagal na. Pero parang ngayon darating, yung parang hindi ka na ready. Like, hindi na ako ready about this. For this. Parang ganon. Pero tsaka siya darating. Yung hindi mo na siya kailangan. I don't know kung ano to. Some of you, if you're dealing with legalizations about relationship, okay? So, specifically about annulment, about divorce, mga ganyan. May chance dito na pwedeng marami na namang pending. Marami na namang magiging pending. I don't know why. So, pwedeng hindi may po-provide yung mga kailangan sa court, maybe. Just be ready. Be ready. Okay? I'm seeing here pregnancy. Biglaan. And biglaang marriage. What is this marriage? The High Priestess in reversed. Somebody will get your opinion pagdating sa pag-aasawa. Parang ganon. Yeah, the Queen of Cups in reversed. Somebody. Ten of Pentacles, yeah, pag-aasawa. Meron ditong hihingi ng opinion mo. I don't know kung single ka or what. They need your opinion. They need your side. Okay? Meron din dito ako nakuha ang energy ng single mother or single father na pwedeng ikaw yung anak na hihingian nila ng opinion kung pwede ba silang mag-asawa muli. That's so specific. Okay? So there. So what's with this unexpected income? Unexpected income. So may chance na may dumating na help, may dumating na something. Pera in general. What's with this? Nine of Pentacles. Wow. This is talking about money. A lot. May naririnig ako reimbursement. Oo. I don't know. Okay. Yeah, pwede. Yung hindi mo na in-expect na makukuha mo pa. Like that. That's nice, no? Oo. So, what's with this Nine of Pentacles? Yeah, Ten of Cups. This na pwedeng sabihin nating magagamit mo. Sabihin nating, yes, meron naman kaming ipon, pero itong perang to na magagamit namin or darating na ito, may chance na pwedeng gamitin namin sa ano lang like occasion, celebration, like that. Like, yeah, lifeline. Parang ganon, no? Like biglaan lang. Okay, sige, may extra, sobrang extra pa tayong pera dito, so gamitin lang natin to sa ganito, like that. Yeah. Somebody, may chance, okay, may nakita ako dito, this specific, will get an invitation dahil sa isang wedding. Okay, wedding or, yeah, an occasion in general. So, ikaw itong magbibigay. Okay? So, yeah. Yun lang. Aking mga nakikita for you. Some of you have a stalker. pinakita lang. Or maybe you're stalking someone. Iba dito parang may nire-release na. Releasing someone. Parang starting new, starting fresh. Forgetting of someone who is in a connection already. And giving yourself or themselves like new beginning. To start new, start fresh. Like that. Okay, so there. So, meron tayo ditong number 35, 3, 27. Okay, so there. So, next, Earth signs. Okay, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorns. What's with you, Earth signs? Anong meron sa'yo? Okay, tingnan natin. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Big help yan sa ating channel. Okay. So, Earth signs. Let's see. 3 cards for you. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Sa ilalim may despair na nakabaliktad. So, some of you, eto lahat naka-upright. Siya lang yung bumaliktad. So, meaning, if you're depressed, if you're sad, then may mag-uplift, no? Something like that. If you're stressed nga, mababawas-bawasan yung stress mo. Yeah, that's good. Okay? So, first is distant horizons. Parang nakuha mo to before. Kung di ako nagkakamali. Great fortune. Wow, some of you, you'll get, sabihin nating magandang kapalaran, no? Lalo na sa ibang bansa. Napaka-specific nun. Mature woman. May chance na matulungan mo nanay mo, tatay mo, something like that. That's so specific. Okay, there's this significant number, 36, 26, and 6. Diba? A lot of 6. For me, 666, hindi yun pangit. May chance na that's talking about new opportunities, new beginnings for me. Okay? So there. Let's see. What's with this distant horizon? What's with this distant horizons? Makakuha ng iba sa inyo na magandang empleyado, mabait. Empleyado, employer. Okay. What's with this distant horizon? King of Wands. Having new direction in general. New passion, new hobby, like that. So, parang mayroon na namang mag-i-ignite, no? Na, yeah, bago. So, mapupunta yung focus mo dun. The 8 of Swords. Oh, ito somebody's thinking of you. Someone na pwedeng malayo sa'yo. Pwedeng fire sign, Sagittarius to be exact. Meron din ditong air. Gemini, Libra, and Aqua, they're thinking of you. Lalo na kung may pagkakalayong nangyari. They're thinking of you. So, I'm hearing brainstorming. Pagdating sa work, okay? Business, if ever. So, what's with this great fortune? 6 of Cups. Somebody from your past is manifesting a great fortune for you. Or maybe you are. I think there's this past person na parang feeling nila ikaw na yung parang great na nangyari. Magandang nangyari sa kanila. Okay? Anyway. So, what's with this? The Eight of Cups. They want you na magkaroon ng progress. Water sign, heavy water sign. Yeah, the sun. Somebody's wishing you luck. Somebody is wishing you something good pagdating sa'yo in general. Okay? Or maybe ikaw ito pagdating sa isang tao. May naririnig ako, somebody is setting you free, or maybe you are setting someone free. Yeah, the King of Cups in reverse, the Five of Cups in reverse. Yeah, andito yung energy na somebody is moving on. The Sun, the Ten of Pentacles, your favorite. I'm seeing some of you having a vacation together with your family, friends, colleagues. Okay? Having, yeah, maybe travel, vacation. Yeah, kasama pa yung pet. O, diba? I know. This is nice. I'm hearing pregnancy rin for some of you because of this. Ten of Pentacles and the Sun. This is like an additional member. Okay? Of the family. Huh? Okay, so what's with this mature woman? What's with this? Mature man, mature woman. Anong meron? A Six of Pentacles. Somebody will give you. I don't know if this is talking about mana. Hindi yun para sa lahat. Okay? Somebody will give you money in general. What's with this Six of Pentacles? Meron din ditong parang someone older na parang gusto niya ng attention or affection. Parang ganyan, effort or time from you. Bigyan mo daw sila ng ganun. The Three of Cups in reversed. Iba sa inyo ha, ikaw itong kaiinggitan talaga. Hindi ko alam kung bakit ka kinakainggitan. Kasi parang yung iba sa inyo, ikaw yung special or ikaw yung parang ang tawag dyan? Favorite ng isang tao. Hindi ko alam bakit. Ha? So, kinakainggitan ka. Iba sa inyo, kung sino man itong hindi mo masyadong nakikita, gusto niya ng time, ng effort from you. Makasama ka man, makasama ka lang nila kahit kaunting oras. Parang ganun. Parang sobrang hirap na makakuha ng oras mula sa'yo or effort mula sa'yo. Parang ganyan. Gusto ka lang nila makita, makasama. Four of Pentacles. Yeah. Parang ikaw lang lagi itong nakakulong, guarded. Parang ganyan. Yeah, the Fool. Gusto nila lumabas-labas naman kayo kahit kaunting oras. They want to see you. They want to travel with you. Mga ganong bagay. This person, mature man or mature woman. Okay? So, I don't know. Pwede iba sa inyo, may chance na ikaw ito magbibigay sa kanila. Okay? Ng pera. Specific. Yeah. So there, yun ang akin nakikita for you, all signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.